Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block today I'm going to be making you guys a delicious Cajun shrimp and cheesy grits recipe. Okay, from my home to yours. Alright, I'm going to show you what we got here. Alright, you're going to need some black pepper. I didn't have no chicken stock, so I'm going to use some of this bouillon. I got the grits. This 5-minute grits, don't get confused. Okay, this is sea salt. This is parmesan or romano cheese right here. And this is olive oil. This is Tony's Cajun season. Some Old Bay. Some Italian cheese style cheese right there. And we have some medium cheddar cheese right here. And also over here I have some white wine right here. I have some tomatoes. I have them shrimps that are already seasoned. I have some, you can't see it back here, I got some chopped 2 cloves of chopped up garlic. I got a whole lemon right here. Got cut in half. And here's my broth that I made up right here. This is like 2.5 cups of water and a tablespoon of this right here. And I put in these shrimps, I put a tablespoon of this Cajun seasoning. I put a half a teaspoon of Old Bay, and I put some parsley in there, and I put some garlic. Let's see, let me tell you how much parsley. I put like a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon of parsley. And I put like a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Sorry guys, I'm still under the weather. So work with me, okay? And we're gonna make a brew for this stuff. And I have right here 1/8 cup of flour. Alright, we're going to start on these grits first. Right here's, what is this, a cup and a half. Yes, this is a cup and a half of grits. I had to rethink about it. I'm sorry guys. Bear with me. We're just going to go ahead and tell you as we go, alright? I'll see you guys over there. I'm going to go ahead and use this. And first of all, I'm going to use this cup and 2 cups and a half of broth in the pot, and I'm gonna put another cup of water in there. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm gonna put some butter in there that I forgot to mention to you guys. So I'm just gonna start out with like a tablespoon of butter. That melted down a little bit. So you just want to stir this while you're putting your grits in. You don't want it clumpy. So that's why we stir. And I'm going to continue stirring this till it starts to get a little bit thicker. Then I'm going to put a lid over it. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Gotta get my camera to focus. I'm gonna open this up. Check on this. This time you can taste it. Make sure it's not gritty. It tastes real good. So you want to take your little black pepper, not a lot, just pretty much dusting it. Okay, that's enough right there. Take your little salt, a little bit of dust. Remember that broth got salt in it. That's it. Take another tablespoon of butter. Put that in there. Stir it up. Now if you have some cream or something like that, half and half or some heavy cream, you can put that in there also. I'm going to add my Italian cheese in there. Put me like like quarter cup. Quarter cup of that. Tablespoon of my parmesan romano. There you go. Right behind that with some cheddar. I'm gonna do a half a cup of this. Like about a half a cup. I'm just gonna stir that in. See that? We're gonna give that another little taste. Never double dip. Oh my goodness. Oh, MG. And throw a little bit more butter in that. I don't need no more really. I'm a butter fanatic. Just a crown. See, it ain't even that much. That tastes magnificent. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lid on here and let this chill till time for me to grab the when I get done with the other stuff. In other words, that's good. Who wanna lick it? Who wanna lick that? You can lick it. That is good. Oh my word! All right, we're gonna zip that up there. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back, and you guys gonna be mad at me because I forgot all about the bacon. And you know what remind me of the bacon? I went in the refrigerator to look for some. I'm like, what this sitting out here for? I said, oh man, I'm supposed to put the bacon in there. We're gonna put the bacon on top of that stuff. So I'm like, oh my goodness. That's what happened when you see it. But it ain't a total loss, because it helped me out by going up in there and finding out. And we're going to use some of this bacon to fry our shrimps and stuff in too as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cook this up, guys, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm pulling some of this bacon. I don't want to burn to a crisp. See all that fat in there, we're going to use that. I was going to use the olive oil. I was wondering why I had that olive oil out. I'm like, what is this for? Tell you boy, when you sit, you forget it all, I ain't lying. And the tripped out thing about it was, I was going to cook this yesterday, but I had got real sick. Seems like the later in the evening it gets, the sicker you get. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these out, guys. Let this cook up a little bit more. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and throw this garlic in here. Take it off the eye. Start placing these shrimps in there. Alright, we're going to cook those. We're going to flip them about a minute and a half. And then I'll show you what we got in a minute. Taking these bad boys out. Just squeezing a lemon on there. Okay, we want to take our flour. Just want to kind of mix that around in there. Okay, that's all we're doing. Now, we'll take us some more wine. Cup like that. Looks like all my wine. There you go. In there. Or if you have cream, that'll work better. So I don't want a lot of gravy. We'll taste that. And it does. So we're going to put a little salt in it. Turn this down on simmer. Okay, now what we're going to do is put these shrimps right back in there. Okay. Take our other lemon, squeeze half of it. The other half when we squeeze on there. Take us tomatoes. Put that in there. Cajun. Creole seasoning in there. That should be good. Put us a little butter in there. Just to tighten it a little bit more. Take me a pinch of this sugar, just to bring out the flavor. That's it. You gotta do too much, man. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys. Now all I did was took me some fresh parsley and put it in here, okay? So you won't be confused when I start plating it. I'm gonna go ahead and plate my stuff up and show you guys what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is, my version of shrimps and grits. This is Cajun shrimps and cheesy grits. From my home to your home. So guys, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg's Kitchen. And once again, I encourage you all, please, to hit that bell. Yes. Hit that bell for me. Let me know who you are. Yeah, saying that to say this. See you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen.